Welcome to the endless bull run. Thanks for tuning into this one. Now let's have some fun.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Trading some Bitcoin and some NQ. Price action has not been the best.
Endless bull run, Sam's on the screen, calling those ticks like a money machine. TD rates fractal in a neon grid. Swing high, swing low, that's the bit he did. Bull run chart in his hand.
I should walk away from that.
Zoom out fam, got a long-term plan. From politics scripts to crypto flips, Sam's new campaign is these candlestick tips.
Yeah, I walked away right around here. Wasn't sure what I was going to do around this. Took out London high and Asia high. Didn't know if it was going to come back down or not. Really wasn't interested once it started doing this stuff. Lightsabering. This looks huge, but it's only like a 150 point range. Yeah, 160. I've been keeping an eye on oil too. I haven't marked anything out, but I've been just keeping a little bit of an eye on it. Seems to be pretty smooth when it starts running. This 5 minute, 1 hour is looking interesting. Or this chop. Start with a daily. I don't know. Is the mic a little low? Let me check my phone 1 second. I don't know. Is the mic a little low? No, I think it's fine. That was less than half volume. It's daily. Look at the scrap on oil. This is funny. Let's go to Bitcoin. I haven't done anything on Bitcoin. Well, it went right to our target that we set out yesterday. Oh yeah. Flip that from support to resistance. Okay, let's start on the daily. Oh, one thing I wanted to mention about NQ, let's look at the daily because this might be Yeah, it's still pushing up. Right into that 4-hour order block. This one right here, this little tiny order block. So we're looking at yearly high it's pushing to right now. No yelling. Okay, I won't yell. You know how I get excited. Yeah, this daily's gonna want to take this top. But when? I was thinking maybe this was setting up for a midweek reversal here. Maybe not. Oh, I haven't even got these links out to Discord. Hold on a second. I was expecting today to be a little bit of a consolidation day. I mean, look at these pumps we've had, right? But she still seems to want to be going. So I was thinking maybe a midweek reversal here. But I don't know. I need to take out these here first, though. I don't have those marked out yet. I'm going to mark these out. So I have them for tomorrow. Unless we decide to go up another 400 points today. Now I don't know about that midweek reversal because we have some defined liquidity up here. Let's pull a fib. We're at the bear 786 now. I broke through it. No, it's hard to see because of all my levels for the day. Let's do this instead then, so we can get a better look. Let's get on NQ instead of MNQ. Still in this range, guys. That's what's crazy. Yeah, we're so close to it. For some reason, I was thinking that was this would be about a 786, but now it's way down here. Yeah, we're heading for it. We're definitely heading for that. Heading for the top of the range. Just cooking now. Would be nice if the Bitcoin was making a swing low here on the out of this fair value gap. But I know a lot of people that are looking for down here, 62, 60, looking for this to be swept down here through here. I guess macro, I'm waiting to see what it does in this fair value gap. We wanted to close above here, we didn't. So maybe this will dip and go, but I don't know. It's pretty extended right now. One of those bear flaggy things, right? $15 looks like it wants to dump down there. Okay, let's go. Let's see. That's holding it up right now. It's so choppy. How's everyone doing? Anyone taking the trades? Saw your charts below. Missed one last night or the other night or this morning. If I'm missing any of you guys' Discord messages, I apologize. I'm not getting notifications for them for some reason. Chop, chop, chop. Where would my target be if I want to go long on outside of this one way up here, 400 points? I can't hold it overnight. That's the question, right? I mean, if we pull this 4-hour order block. So if I pulled it the right direction. Nope. I always do that. The negative messes me up. See, that 4-hour order block is right around, really extended. That's probably the 5. Let's put in a -5 real quick. That'd be mega bullish. Yeah, lands right on the 5th deviation of this order block. But this is 4 hours, so this could take several days into next week to get there. Unless we have God candles like these. Starting to see it's starting to do that. It's starting to fade. Not interested until it pulls back. I really want to work on this friggin' eval. Before I forget, I want to increase my . Do 08. Increase my size on this. Kind of looking for a short here, but it doesn't look like it wants to go just yet. So far, that's the wick of this 15. Yeah, I missed 2 trades yesterday. Didn't get tapped in. One you guys saw, $6 off of my Bitcoin trade. That was fun. Didn't get tapped in by $6, and then went directly to target. And then last night, Asia, I was just sitting on the couch, and I just took a paper trade. And I think I was on 10 ticks away from getting filled, and then straight to target. Caps was right. I knew I was a little sloppy on my entry on that paper trade. I'm going to start pulling my putting my limit order a little bit below the fair value gap instead of on it, just in case it doesn't wick in. Get in a little bit sooner for add a little bit more risk, but negligible. And I don't even know if it'd really add more risk because it'd just be so small. I could always decrease the contract size too to keep it around $200 per trade. That's what I want to risk. 200 to make 400 per account on the 50,000 accounts. That was six winning trades for payout. Or 6 winning trades for passing an eval. With risk of ruin real low if I don't move my stop loss. Or delete my stop loss. Or then start averaging into losers. A lot of people are struggling with this price action, so if you are, don't hang your head low. A lot of people are. I know I am. I think I was talking to Will about it. Lately I don't think I can see the price action. I just can't see it. It's not speaking my language. I mean, whose language is this speaking over here? The 15 minute of Bitcoin right now. Like, what language is this? Maybe a little bit of a middle finger. Oh yeah, that's the remnants of my trade yesterday. I'm glad I jumped into the short. It looks like wants to railroad it. This is fun price action. Anybody in the trade now, or are we just watching price action? Make sure I'm signed in to trade. Wait, I am. Okay. Made that mistake before. Many times. Taking a trade and I'm actually on paper by accident. Or not signed in at all. Missed the move. Let's see. Our favorite crypto influencer is long with a $1,500 stop loss. We're just here for the chop suey. Now that we're into this 4-hour negative order block, looks like it wants to go. Kind of curious to see what deviation this went to. Oh, it went to the 5 here. Nuts. You went even deeper. 5 before it started to retrace. Because it created another order block here. I'm gonna pull it from there to the 3. To the 4, almost 5. Went to the 5. Without ever stopping it out. Yep. That would have been a long hold. It was the 4 hour. This order block failed. I went to the 2 though, got something out of it, but you would expect it to come up to here. Got rejected off that fair value gap. But you're already at it in that 4 hour, right? This one banged too. Out to the 5. Crazy. This one is going to the 5. If that's the case, what's this order block going to then? It's going to go to the 5. Could have just been playing order blocks on the 4-hour, making a killing. I got to get enough in my account to start holding overnight. You need a lot of money to hold overnight in your account. Don't like doing that. Actually, let me check trade of 8. We'll learn something together. What is an overnight hold per micro? I think I'm thinking of minis. I think minis is $20-something thousand you need to have in your account to hold overnight. Margins. $4,000 per micro to hold overnight. Holy shit, it's 40,000 now to hold and mini overnight. Okie dokie. That's a no from me, dog. Maybe the overnight one, but is it worth it? Playing 1 micro overnight. I guess it would have been if we got in on way down here. And then held for days. I gotta start thinking swing trades here. At least on one of my funded accounts. Self-funded, that is. Bitcoin still chopping. Stuck in this range that we made yesterday somehow. Does this guy even trade? No, I don't. But this is trading, waiting for your setup. Waiting for price action to reveal itself for you to do something with it. It's looking like a reversal, or at least a retracement. Where would we retrace to? All the way back down to this order block. Maybe for tomorrow, if it wants to do that, but it's been bullish AF. So maybe 50% retracement. That's more bullish. Okay, that would make sense. Somewhere in here. I can see that. Take out that fair value gap, balance this entire range. It's only 100 points. It seems, everything just seems tiny today compared to what it has been. Maybe even wick down to wick test this. Asia high there too. Well, yeah, because that wick is Asia high. Got quite a bit. I got almost 6.5 minutes on this 50-minute candle. A lot of time for it to do something and completely destroy this idea if it starts pumping up again. But what we're looking for is this to come down close within this or below this green candle. Then the next 15-minute candle come up and down to this to retrace. Because we are in a negative order block right now. We blasted through that range is 786, bearish 786, so that's why I don't think it's gonna retrace very much, because it's been pretty bullish that way. I mean, but look how extended we are on the daily, right? So we'll see what this 50-minute does. I'll take a small trade if we get into it. Patiently waiting. Oh, I'm in a broke structure here. See if it respects that equilibrium of the previous 15-minute candle, which is that dotted line. Does not look like it. It looks like it will be respecting it rather. We have a whole 5 minutes left in this candle. Never mind. But this would be a great number 1, 2, 3. Swing high. So my fib's pulled. What the hell? There we go. Well, that was herky jerky. Okay. Just bullish. Just bullish. So let's keep that there for now, because that did sweep out those highs. Let's see. Nice. Looking less and less likely that this will want to retrace at this point in time. Yeah, I see a lot of people in the group were trying to take that retrace too. Gotta wait though. Gotta wait, guys. Gotta wait for the 15 to close to give you direction. This was just a fake out here, this 1 minute. Because it could be an AMD, right? Let me just get rid of that. There we go. Could be an AMD, right? Consolidation here. That's why I like to wait for confirmation off of this. I had all expectations that it was not going to do that though. But I was going to wait for candle 3 to start. Catch that candle 3. If that was going to be a candle 2, which it does not look like it anymore, right? So we wait for this candle to close. This 15-minute candle to close. If it closes inside of that candle there, that most likely is going to be the swing point. Put your stop above here and write it down. But since it closed way up here, we had a lot of time. We had how many minutes? One. Oh, yeah, we had. That was only half the candle being printed at that point. So if I miss that move, I don't care. I'll try to get on candle 4 maybe. But I'm going to wait for it to close. Now she's just aiming for higher. This price action's cooking people. Guys, see what it did on the overnight? Look at these wicks. Just crazy. Those were on the 1 minute too. No joke. That wick right here, look at that. It's crazy. Price action has been insane. Oops. Gotta practice this patience. These could end up being failed swings. Failed swing highs. Still looking for a reversal somewhere around here. Or retracement. I'll be aiming for down here. And I'll get it. Just look how bullish it's been. But wrecking people on the way up. With no real easy entries. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Are we still we are still ranging. Surprise, surprise. Bitcoin is still ranging. We needed to get out of this range one way or the other. This is a range that we made yesterday. That's kind of funny. It's got stuck in it. I have not taken a trade today. It might be a no trade day. Unless we do something pretty real soon. Needs to show a little leg. Been teasing all the time. 2602. 26207 is the Asia deviation. Full Asia range. Then that would make sense. We also have off this order block here on the 1 minute, right about there. So there's some confluence that it could get up to here and then reverse. So somewhere in here where I'm looking for a reverse. How you doing, Butch? I'm telling you, these 15-minute and the 4 hours is so bullish. These 15-minute order blocks line up at 4 and 2. There's some more confluence. But somewhere in the 200s, it could be reversing. So I'm going to click the 4 hour. No, this is holding a support. Let's see what this 1 minute order block. I even if that's not red, I pull it down to the swing part. That's how I do it. No, I was pulled backwards the first time for good luck. First standard deviation would be there again. Right around where that Asian deviation is. That's kind of crazy. That's all being well lining up. Like this order block. Second deviation lines almost up perfectly with this one deviation of that order block. Alright, look how close these all are. All these order blocks are all saying it wants to come up here. Feels like bait. And Bitcoin still doing nothing. Building patience today, building patience. Got to build that patience. So we're looking for this box right here. I'll just make a nice little box. Somewhere in there we have a lot of confluence. We have this 2, we have this 1 deviation of that one. Can't remember what the other one was. This one, 2 deviation of this, 1 of this. All residing right around here. So maybe has to retrace sometime, right? Maybe not. Because that would be a high of the day, obviously, right? We're at the high of the day. Little AMD here would be nice. Little accumulation pop for manipulation and rundown. Maybe not that far. Let's go there. Let's see if we're right. This price action is exciting. It's about right, Will, right? Just use your account liquidation as your stop loss and long it. What's so crazy is this market is so like just disconnected from the reality that everyone's living. You talk to regular ass people, right? That's how the economy's doing, how they're doing. Not very well. Things getting tighter. shit keeps going up in price, even though, you know, inflation's lower, but people don't understand that just because inflation lower doesn't mean prices aren't still going up, because inflation is the price going up. So if we had like whatever the hell it was, friggin' 10% inflation for years, and now we're down to 2, well, it's not going, prices aren't going down. Wages haven't caught up yet though. And that's tricky. So once you start increasing wages, then you start increasing prices again. Pretty hard spiral. Along the top, if I can catch the top. We're at the high day right now. We just keep on buying. Keep on selling one at a time. Do we think it's really going to go any higher? I almost want to do that on paper to start scaling in to a short. Getting close to the box. Was that 200? Yeah, 201. Psychological level. I love when people say that, psychological level. It's not psychological, it's just where a lot of institutions put their buys and sells around even numbers. Oh, well, it was close. Doesn't have to hit that box, because that box is just a guesstimate. Okay, let's see if we start forming swings. This 5 forms a swing. That 2 already did. 3's about to. 5's about to. 15's about to. Got 13 minutes left on this. It just opened. It's 15 just opened. It's feeling a lot like this here. Let's see if this fair value gap holds. Just not trusting it. Just not trusting it. Trade is there, but I just don't trust it. I feel like it's gonna keep popping this. Five-minute order block, it retested. Let's see what this 5-minute does here when this closes in 55 seconds here. Really high resistance. See what was favorite, the VWAP. VWAP's all the way down here. VWAP, WAP. So I'm saying I'm not trusting it, not trusting any of this. Check on Bitcoin one more time. Oh, Bitcoin started to break down too. But still on a 15-minute junk. There's that one more pop there. See, I can see it going both ways is my problem. This order block's holding, this 5 minutes order block's holding up. Could come down to this one, bounce off the moving average and that order block, which a lot of the time will line up. I mean, this could be high a day, but it might not retrace very much, right? That's always a possibility as well. Okay guys, I'm going to call it here. I can see it going both ways and I can see it chopping for the rest of the day too. So I'm going to head out, going to have lunch with the wife. Appreciate y'all hanging. If you're new, like and subscribe. That'd be greatly appreciated. Nothing to sell you. Just having fun. No stream tomorrow. Volunteer day. And maybe Friday. But I'll see y'all on Discord. Till next time. Peace.